Hello, this is a short video to show you how to create a ticket in our help desk system. First, you need to log into My Harmony portal. When you log in every day in the morning, you're gonna see a series of icons, and those icons depend on your role within Harmony. It's only for employees, and then you're gonna see an icon of the help desk. So when you click on icon, you're gonna see, if you're an end user, you're gonna see this dashboard, and you have three options to submit your ticket. The first option is that you see we create the categories based on the department. Also, you can go here to create, go into the help desk catalog, or the best choice is here using the search bar. So let's pretend we're gonna have a problem or issue with the Skyward. So when I type Skyward, the system is gonna show you articles related with whatever you type there. Maybe you don't have the need to submit the ticket. We constantly create new articles related to frequent asked questions and best practices, and also you're gonna find the categories related to Skyward that we have available in our help desk. Let's say that we have a question about the virtual learning in Skyward. So when you click here, it's gonna go directly to the ticket form. You can put subject, or you can put it's a service request. I need access to this application. You can put your subject, and then you can put a description of your issue or question. Also, you may notice here that when you type the subject, the system automatically, depending on what you type, is trying to find any related article to whatever you type. What it means is that the system is intelligent to know that try to help you, to find common answer and common questions for the thing that you're typing on the subject. So maybe you don't need to submit the ticket because the answer is already written in an article. So here in the description, you can insert images, a screenshot of your problems or questions. You can attach files, PDF. The maximum amount is 32 megabytes, and then you submit. The system, based on your location, it routes the ticket to a specific agent. We have around 500 agents in the system, and that's why it's very important for you to select the right category. So please be careful when you select categories. So let's go back again to the main menu. Let's try to put help desk. We have some articles related to the help desk. Let's say that, oh, this is related to the thing that I'm trying to find. So you can click here and you can find articles, you can watch videos, and then of course at the end you don't need to, if he's responded, you don't need to send the ticket because the answer is there. The last option is going here to new request, and it's going to display the entire HPS catalog, and again it's divided by departments. And let's say that you have a question about Dreambox, so you go to educational software, but the best recommendation will be using, because we have more than 100 categories, is better to use the search box. So in this case I will put Dreambox, and of course it's gonna find Dreambox within the catalog, and then you click on continue. It's gonna tell you how to troubleshoot Dreambox. Most of the educational software have, they have articles related how to troubleshoot it, to inform you how to find best answers, and then maybe can solve the request, and you don't need to submit the ticket. And then also, if you don't find the answer there, you still want to create a request, you click here, and then you can type, the subject and the description of your of your issue or answer or question. If you see here, you still have the article that I showed you before, in case you need to review it again. And then when you finish, you submit. Once you submit the ticket will be assigned to the agent related to the category that you choose. Our system is decentralized. We don't have agents in central office. A basic team of agents in central office. All agents are spread in the campuses, in the district office, and central office. So our model is decentralized. So what it means is that depending on your selecting category, the system will route the ticket to the right agent. Our SLA, service level agreement, is 3 days. What it means that in 3 days, business days, you will have the answer from the agent. So that's it. Thank you very much for your attention and have a great day.